Okay guys, good morning. Emmanuel here, or any time of the day you are watching this video. I quickly want to note this for people that are using Google Docs that are complaining about how to get a linkable table of contents. That's why I want to make this video. You'll see that at times it will be showing you when you want to publish a missing table of content, and you can actually achieve that with your phone. You see, it moved me to chapter 3 of my work. You understand? So to achieve it is actually simple. I'll clear off that table of content and I will go over it one after the other back. Okay, I'm going to this place. Okay, all I have to just do is there should be a page break here. Okay, all I have to do is this. Let me first of all clear it off so that it will not be like it's already there. That's why it's very easy. So all you have to first of all do is change all these introductions and everything, change them to heading 1. Just highlight them like this, then click on this A sign, this place that is circled. Click on it. When you click on it, then you see this style. This style, yours is going to be in this normal text. You see it, but always change it to heading 1. When you change it to heading 1, that's going to be okay. So we are done with that. Then scroll to where your chapters is. So this your chapter 1. Change it to heading 1 as well. Just move it down. You see it. Letter A. You change it to heading 1. You see that? But I want it to be centralized. Heading 1. Then this subtitle, like the title of that your chapter 1, you change it to heading 2. You see that because I've already done it, that's why everything is showing rightly. So you change it to heading 2. It should be centralized. So let's go to chapter 2 like that. That's how you go over it, like your chapter 2 as well. You change your chapter 2 also to heading 1. You see it's already there. That's why I just want to quickly show you guys. That's why I'm else to brush over it again. Change it to heading 1. Like the title of that chapter will now be in heading 2. You see that will be in heading 2. So I don't want this video to be long, so all others chapter I've already done it, so I'll just show you how it is going to show out now. So all you now have to now do is, when you have added everything as heading 1 and heading 2 respectively. Oh, this video is getting longer than I want it to be. Now you go back to where you write your table of contents. So this is my table of content. All I have to do is click on this plus icon. I'm not talking about the A again. This plus icon now. That's what I'm talking about. Click on it. Then you see this link. Can you see it? Link. Click on it. When you click on it, this is what it will show you. It will now show you headings. You see that? So all you have to just do is click on this heading. Then everything that you have changed to heading 1 and heading 2 will show respectively. Can you see it? So now I want to only the introduction first. You click, you see that the introduction has been linked, so you press your enter key, go over it again one after the other. Click on headings, chapter 1. You see that? Unlike the online version that everything will be generated immediately all together, but this one you'll be doing it one by one. You see it? Sorry, this plus sign, chapter 2. You see that? This plus sign, the subtitle, see it? So, and the beauty is you don't need to have internet connection. Like you can see that I turn off my internet connection. That's one of the advantage of Google Docs over using Read.C to format. But at the same time, I still like that Read.C as well. I do use it sometimes. So chapter 4. So like that, because this video I want it to be 5 minute video, but it's already past 5 minutes. So once you do like that, you save it. So if I click on this chapter 1 now, chapter 4 now, you see that it takes me to my chapter 4. You see that it will take me up to my chapter 4. If I click on this, okay, this place also have chapter 3. Don't mind me, sha. So you see that, you see it takes me over to where my chapter is. So when you are done with everything, just click on this sign icon. Then okay, let me put this. So one thing is that people do complain that they did not see this save as button in their own work. It's fine. It's fine. Just click on these share options. Okay, why is it not showing? Don't start voila. Okay. Anyway, all I have to just do is just save it as HTML zip file. I don't understand why it's not showing right now. HTML zip file for ebook and also PDF for your paperback cover. I think that's all. Thank you.